English speed 80, ready, start. Expressing, inverted commas begun, strong disapproval, inverted commas closed, over the non-filing of cancellation report despite the lapse of several years, comma, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has directed the State Director General of Police to issue instructions to inverted commas begin all concerned inverted commas closed for appropriate time bound action on decisions to submit untraced oblique cancellation reports before the court concerned stop era. The direction by Justice B.S. Walia came in a case where a cancellation report was not submitted more than 8 years after the decision, comma, Justice Walia directed the DGP to also take appropriate action in the matter to fix responsibility for non-filing of the cancellation report before the trial court, comma, after observing that the decision was taken in the matter on October 3, 2012, stop era. The Punjab government has decided to reopen all government, aided and non-aided colleges, including government and private universities, from January 21, stop era. All higher educational institutes have to follow the guidelines issued by the Punjab government regarding COVID-19 from time to time. Stop. The Higher Education Department has issued a detailed letter to all universities and colleges in this regard. Stop era. An official spokesperson for the state government said, as per the guidelines, in the interest of students, the educational institutions should conduct classes through both offline and online medium and conduct semester annual examinations through offline medium only. Stop era. At the same time, students would be allowed to take classes as per their choice and no institute should compel them to attend the classes physically. Stop era. The Punjab and Haryana High Court wants mask etiquette to be injected to the public, along with the vaccine, to beat COVID, stop, inverted commas begun. If a mass drive is launched, along with the vaccine process already underway, it can be of great help to rein in the disease completely, inverted commas closed. The bench of Justice Rajan Gupta and Justice Karamjit Singh ruled today, stop era, as a petition filed by a COVID-infected jail inmate came up for resumed hearing, the bench asserted that it was of the feeling that a general drive was required to be launched to make the public aware of the mask etiquette, stop para. The bench noted that the responsibility of generating awareness by launching the drive was not required to be limited to the domain of law enforcement agencies and organizations equipped to educate the public in such exigencies could also be entrusted with the responsibility, stop era, taking cognizance of the fact that the public was not properly masked up to fight COVID